consistent. They are called the consistent. They are called consistent. It is called. Consist they are called means they are having the answer. Second one not having the answer. It is called the inconsistent. 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 It is called. Means there is no answer. Now taking the one exercise, that is the your textbook exercise, and this is the some basics for that one. Next questions we are understanding what is the value of A, what is the value of B, what is the value of C, then what is the answers will come, incident, coincident line, parallel line, intersecting line, whether one solution, no solution, or create the equation which has a many solution, like that questions taking one by one. Now suppose that one example I am taking here by one examples like this. What are that? So question will arise like this. If it is given the 3x plus 7y is minus 5 is equal to 0, equation number 1 it is, and another taken 2x plus 9y plus 5 is equal to 0, equation number 2. We have to say that what is the answer for this one. Graphical representation what will come, whether it is the solution or no solution. So first of all, it is A value, A1 is equal to, this is the first equation. First equation means A1, 3, B1 is equal to 7 plus 7, or C1 is equal to minus 5. A2 is equal to 2, whatever the written with the x, that is A. What is written with the y, that is the B. B2 is equal to 9 and C2 is equal to 5. 5 it is. Now it is asked to find that it has the solution, no solution, and solution is there, then how many is there, and otherwise which type of graphical representation will come. So say we can write A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is not equals, then it will become like. So we checking it, A1 by A2, 3 by 2, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by 7 by 9 equal? No, it is not equal. It is not equal. Not equal means it has the unique solution. One solution, and lines are the graphical representation will come the here the intersecting line, and it is the intersecting line. It is the consistent. It is consistent. It will come. So this type. So let's taking the exercise 3.2. 3.1 note. Why? Because of it is the graph. So last exercise will come, that time the all the solutions which are the graph are the graphical solution will come. Till that time exercise 3.2 and that